thank you for tuning into the North Main Minute. I'm Joshua Dobie. Big item that's on our radar screen right now, for the obvious reasons, as you hear me talk about it here in a few seconds, but it's really come to the forefront here as really the environment has shifted in the last couple of weeks. Has to do with a series of questions we're receiving from clients about the Federal Reserve Board, and specifically, is there a plan to reduce interest rates, specifically the overnight lending rate, in their September meeting? Now, before I lose you too far on the really academic end of things there, what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about whether the Federal Reserve Board is going to start to cut interest rates here in their September meeting after a series of raising rates over the course of the last 2 years. They may. It certainly seems like it. The markets are anticipating that at this point. But from a practical standpoint, what does that mean for you? Well, I'm going to start out with a terrible answer. It shouldn't mean a whole lot, truthfully, on day one. What's going to matter is whether they continue to cut rates over a period of time and what impact that is then going to have on areas where interest rates affect us. I'm looking most especially at mortgages, at car loans, lines of credit, but then also on the savings and investment side of things, looking at things like money market yields, CD interest rates, and yields on other kinds of fixed paper or fixed income instruments. So all of those things can be affected over time, but at least at this point, it looks like there is going to be a possibility for a 1/4 point rate reduction in September, so it's probably not going to change a whole lot of your day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month life at this point. There's going to be a lot of noise on it. There already has been here over the last couple of weeks, especially as the markets have been more volatile during that time. But I just wanted to put this out there to be aware that it's going to be out there. Probably, if it's not going to be September, it's going to happen soon. But really, it shouldn't affect what you're doing so long as you have a good plan in place. If you'd like to reach out to us at North Main Financial Group, perhaps take a look at your overall strategy. Is it appropriate for the space that we're in? And perhaps more importantly, is it appropriate for the space where we're going to be? Feel free to reach out to us at any time, northmainfinancial.com.